My word, it's Cadbury CK Lippenmeyer, and it's 3:15 in the afternoon on another cooler day, 29 forecast. It's a March day for Perth, so it's been a great third one in a row, great pleasure for us all. Cadbury loves it, and us humans love it. Nana Lippenmeyer, baby Lippenmeyer, and partner Jonathan, can't say Lippenmeyer, and she's not a Lippenmeyer. We all love it, don't we? Pop Lippenmeyer. So little girl, you've just fed, so you should be feeling pretty happy, and you're now going probably to do a wee or a poo somewhere. Well, I'll be. That looks like a little hide of yours, darling. It looks like where you sit, it's got a little hollow. Yeah, what a nice spot. These are all the old bamboo cuttings that the neighbour hacked off from the bamboo the other day, last week, because they were hanging over the fence and actually leaned in quite a long way. The neighbour doesn't like leaves. Nature's very, very inconsiderate having leaves. Now, dear nature, drop leaves. What are you doing, Kitty? I think I'll leave you be. And get some sun for my vitamin D. Okay, Cadbury, I'll leave you there. I'll let that millions of your fans just see that there's a row of bambusa old hemii down there. And it's part of the delightful little garden that you enjoy. Of course, there's bambusa old hemii down that way as well. Well, Cadbury, I'll let you be, my darling, okay? I'll let you be. So, there's the most beautiful little cat in the world. I love you, Cadbury.